Today we're going to pick back up where we left off in the field. We got ran out the other day by rain. So it's been about 2.5, 3 days since it rained. So we're going to get back out there and try to get this top section finished up and start working on some other. I got a couple of washes out there I got to fix and start tearing up the rest of it. Before I do that, I've got to work on the tractor. It was running hot the other day a little bit when I was out there working. So as you can see, the radiator and the cooler is kind of stopped up. So we're going to blow that out right quick and get out there and get back to work. Take these side panels off. Hey guys, I'm back this afternoon. I did do a little disking this morning. I'm kind of letting it dry off a little bit. It's still a little wet, but I got a problem right there. They didn't really set this disc up correctly at the John Deere dealership, so I got to move them front gangs in just a little bit, and so this thing won't leave such a strip in the middle. And I may have to move the back ones in a little bit as well, but I won't know till I actually start testing it out. But if I move the front ones in, it should help it a little bit. So that's what I'm fixing to do right now. And then in a minute I'm gonna go back and start back cutting again. get me an impact gun. I don't have one. Make this a lot faster. Now, that should do a lot better. I may have to slide it out a little bit. I'll go test it out and see. And I may have to slide those in right there, but I won't know till I put it in the dirt. So I'm fixing to go do that, and I'll be back with you guys a little later. So this afternoon, we're getting ready to test out our new poly broadcast spreader made by LMC Ag. It's got a 1,000-pound hopper, and it's just right for what we need to do it for, since how a drill for this little tractor will cost you about $7 grand. So this is what we're going to do till we have to upgrade equipment. But so this afternoon I'm gonna start with some pearl millet, and it says on here on the millet, it says you want to put about 25 pounds to the acre broadcast. So that's going so it looks like we're going to be in setting 3 at 540 RPMs at about 7.5 miles. So wait, let's see what, yeah, because it's going to be a small seed, or it might be a medium seed, I don't know. But if it's a medium sized seed, we're probably going to be at setting 2 540 at a 49-foot width, and that'll put about 21 pounds broadcast. So one of those two settings, because I think 29 pounds is going to be a little heavy, so we're going to go with probably try the setting 2 at 21 pounds. So I think that's where we're going to start. So let me get this thing set. So that's setting 2. Let's put that in there. Put our little key back in. You can see the door move there. So now I'm gonna make a trial run and see what my speed actually looks like. So I'll be back in just a second. All right, YouTube, so I downloaded a GPS app to my phone, and in low range, with the pedal all the way to the floor, we're only doing 6 miles an hour. So what I'm gonna do, is I'm gonna adjust my rate down a little bit, because I ain't gonna be able to go 6 miles an hour wide open. It'll beat it to death. So I'm gonna figure on about 3 miles per hour and cut my rate way down and just see how we do. And there's the millet seed. It's a pretty small seed. So I put 2 bags in there. And let's just see how it looks, how thick it looks. So I'm probably gonna run it down to like 1.5. So let's go give her a test and see how it goes.